Hello and welcome back to ELD Devices, your trusted source for trucking industry insights. I'm Bobby Aield, and today we're talking about ELD alternatives that truckers can use to stay compliant with FMCSA regulations. While ELD are mandatory and there are true alternatives, there are cases where exemptions apply or situations like ELD malfunctions where temporary alternatives can be used to stay compliant. Let's dive in. First of all, paper logs. If your ELD malfunctions, FMCSA regulations require drivers to switch to paper logs immediately to record their hours of service. Drivers have up to 8 days to replace or repair the ELD, and an extension can be requested if necessary. During this time, detailed paper logs ensure you remain compliant. Many truckers might not know that there are specific exemptions under the FMCSA's ELD mandate. So, if you're driving a vehicle manufactured before the model year 2000, you're exempt from the ELD requirement. These older vehicles lack the necessary electronic components to integrate with ELD systems. In this case, paper logs are an acceptable alternative to track your hours of service. It's essential, though, to ensure your records are accurate and complete, as they'll be subject to inspection. For drivers who use paper logs for no more than 8 days within any 30-day period, an ELD isn't required. This exemption is particularly useful for truckers who drive intermittently or only need to log hours occasionally. As long as this period doesn't exceed 8 days, detailed paper logs are compliant. There's also an exemption for drive-away towaway operations. If the vehicle being driven is part of the shipment itself, such as when delivering new trucks or RV, you're not required to use an ELD. Again, paper logs can be used to document your HOS. Short-haul drivers operating within a 150 air-mile radius who complete their workday within 14 hours are exempt from the ELD mandate as well. You can use time cards or other simplified records to log your hours. Just be sure you meet all the criteria for this exemption, as non-compliance could lead to penalties. Using alternatives to ELD doesn't mean you can relax on record keeping. In fact, it demands extra diligence. Whether you're using paper logs, time cards, or other manual tracking methods, your records must be up-to-date, accurate, and accessible for inspections. If cost is your concern, there are affordable ELD options available that still ensure compliance. Here are 3 budget-friendly solutions worth considering. Motive ELD, formerly KeepTruckin. Motive offers a plug-and-play ELD solution that's user-friendly and affordable. It integrates with a mobile app for easy tracking and provides basic compliance features. It's ideal for small fleets or independent drivers. Garmin eLog. Garmin eLog is a one-time cost, no subscription ELD option. It connects directly to your smartphone or tablet and is easy to use, making it a great choice for those on a budget. Bluewing Tech ELD. BIT ELD is another cost-effective option. It offers essential features like IFTA tracking, hours of service logs, and driver vehicle inspection reports. While it doesn't have advanced features, it's reliable and gets the job done. Lastly, keep in mind that technology and regulations are constantly evolving. Some exemptions, like those for older vehicles, may change as the industry advances. Staying informed about these updates is key to maintaining compliance and avoiding fines. So, what's your experience with ELD exemptions or alternatives? Have you found a method or device that works best for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trucking tips and insights. Until next time, drive safe and stay compliant.